Hey guys, welcome back to our quick review session. I'm Sir Wawi, your ever curious science buddy. So today we'll practice predicting traits using simple Punnett squares. So first we'll look at a monohybrid cross. That's when we focus on just one trait. Ano? So then we'll level up to dihybrid cross where two traits are considered at the same time. Ano? So don't worry, I'll show you the easy steps so you can solve them fast for your exam. Let's begin. So wala na muna tayong summary ngayon kasi ito yung problem solving. So start na tayo sa monohybrid cross. So monohybrid uses one trait alone. Ano? So for this problem, eye color in fruit flies red eyes are dominant over white eyes. A heterozygous red eye fly is crossed with another heterozygous red eye fly. What are the expected genotypic and phenotypic ratios of the offspring? What percentage of the offspring will have white eyes? So, ang sabi dyan, parehas heterozygous. Okay, yung parent ano? Okay, so lagay natin yung parent. Ayan, cross natin. Yan yung mga magiging resulting genotypes. Okay, ang tanong, genotypic and phenotypic ratio. So this is the genotypic ratio. 1 homozygous dominant is to 2 heterozygous is to 1 homozygous recessive. So tingnan nyo mga anak lagi. Pag ang parent is both heterozygous, kitang-kita natin talagang may resulting homozygous recessive. Pero pag ang parent parehas homozygous dominant, walang homozygous recessive. Or let's say, ang isa namang parent ay homozygous dominant, yung isa ay heterozygous. Wala ding makikitang homozygous recessive. Okay, so talagang ma-express ang homozygous recessive pag ang parents ay heterozygous or both homozygous recessive. Nakukuha. Okay, so for the phenotypic ratio, 3 red eyes and 1 white eyes. Tandaan, pag heterozygous, yung ma-express na trait ay yung dominant trait. Okay, so for the percentage of white eye flies, isa lang yun, 25%. Napaka-easy, di ba? Okay, so proceed tayo sa dihybrid cross. So let's say, ito yung ating parents, the genotypic. Okay, so ano muna natin yung mga resulting offspring. Ayan. So balikan natin. So dito sa problem, in pea plants, round seeds are dominant over wrinkled seeds, and yellow seeds are dominant over green seeds. If two pea plants that are heterozygous for both traits, ayan na po yung parent natin, pinag-cross na natin, are crossed, what will be the phenotypic ratio of their offspring? So dito gagamit tayo lagi ng FILE method para makuha natin yung mga genotypes sa ating dihybrid cross. So mabilis lang naman or napakadali ang file method. So both parents i-undergo natin sa file method. Okay? So ito yung mga resulting genotypes sa taas andito sa gilid. Parehas heterozygous. And lahat ng genotypes, titingnan nyo mga anak, ito lagi yung makukuha. Pag heterozygous. Lahat. Okay. Ang genotypic ratio, kung makikita natin sa heterozygous, ganyan palagi. 1 is to 2 is to 1, is to 2 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. Lahat ng genotypic ratio ganyan. Okay, tatandaan nyo lang kasi malay nyo ibang letter yung gamitin na variable. Okay, pero ito lagi yung magiging sagot sa genotypic. Sa phenotypic, laging 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Pag ang parent ay heterozygous or both heterozygous. Tatandaan, si 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, so thank you so much. That's all for today. Thank you so much and hope na ma-A po natin yung ating exam.